What is a student loan promissory note and why? Read it carefully. Imagine borrowing money to pay for college and signing a document that says you promise to pay it back. That document is called a promissory note. It might seem like just a form, but it's actually a legal contract you need to understand fully. When you take out a student loan, the promissory note is what officially records your agreement with the lender. It spells out how much money you borrowed, the interest rate, and how you will repay it over time. It also includes details about fees, repayment plans, and what happens if you miss a payment. Signing this note is required before the loan funds are given to you. Reading the promissory note carefully is very important because it explains your rights and responsibilities. It tells you when interest starts to build up and how much you owe at different points. It also outlines your options if you can't pay right away, like deferment or forbearance. Knowing these details helps you plan your finances and avoid surprises later. Since this note is a legal promise to repay, understanding its terms protects you from misunderstandings that could lead to penalties or default. The promissory note is your official loan contract. For federal student loans, there's often a master promissory note that covers multiple loans for up to 10 years. This means you don't have to sign a new note each time you borrow. It includes key information such as the interest rate, fees, repayment options, and what happens if you don't pay on time. No matter your situation, you are responsible for repaying the loan, even if you do not finish school or find a job after graduation. Reviewing the promissory note before signing is essential. It helps you understand exactly how much you owe and how interest will grow. It also clarifies when your payments will start and what options you have if you face financial hardship. Being aware of potential fees or penalties can save you money and stress later. If you decide to refinance or combine your loans, the promissory note is a key document to review. In practical terms, reading your promissory note helps you know your total debt and repayment schedule. It shows when payments are due and what your options are if you need to pause payments temporarily. It also explains the consequences of missing payments, which can include damage to your credit score or additional fees. By understanding these details, you can make smarter decisions about your student loans and avoid future financial trouble. In short, the student loan promissory note is your formal agreement to repay your loan under specific terms. Carefully reading it ensures you are aware of what you're agreeing to, helping you manage your student debt responsibly. It's a simple step that can save you from confusion and financial problems down the line.